Hello guys, in this lecture we will be discussing what are number systems. So number systems are basically methods developed by humans over time to calculate the number of things, like counting the amount of things and representing them. The most commonly used number system is the decimal. It is the standard way of counting used all around the world. It's basically how you count anything, starting from 0 up until 9. The decimal number system consists of 10 symbols that are as follows: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And anything we count, we represent it in using these symbols. Now I'm going to explain how basically you count. First of all, you start counting a thing and it starts from 0, then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now once you are done with all the symbols, once you start another cycle. In short, you can represent the numbers we have written already by this. And this is how your counting works. Once you're done with the first cycle, you take the second digit in the list of symbols, you write it like this, and then you start counting from the start like this. And so on. And this is how your number system with the decimal works. Another thing to note about decimal is that because you have 10 possible symbols in decimal, that's why this number system has the base 10, which means any number in decimal can be denoted like this with base 10, or you can have 4 as 10, 31 with base 10. All of these are decimal numbers, which is shown by this base right here. Next up are the binary numbers. Now binary numbers are the second most commonly used number systems. It has two possible symbols. One is a 0 and the other one is a 1, which means that all the information represented in this language comprises of only zeros and ones. It will look something like this: 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, or whatever you want. And it has a base of 2 because it has two possible symbols. Counting in binary will look something like this. You start off with a 0, you have a 1, then you start repeating the symbols, then you go 1 and 0, then you have 1 and 1, then you concatenate it further, you have 1, 0 and 0, you've got 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and this keeps increasing the number of ones over time. Now all the computers utilize the binary number system because of its easy representation. The 1 is easily represented by a high voltage or a power on signal, high voltage, and a 0 is represented by a low voltage or low power signal. And this is how the machines represent data. Next up we have octal numbers. Octal numbers look something like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total number of symbols is 8, so all octal numbers have the base 8. A counting in octal number will look like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 1, 1, so on and so forth. Now the last one, and probably the most important number system that you will come across in computer sciences, is the hexadecimal number system. Now hexa means 6 and decimal means 10, so you can probably guess that it has a base of 16 or 16 possible symbols in its alphabet, which will be like this: a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, followed by an A, B, C, D, E and F. A hexadecimal number will look something like this: A, 2A, B, C, with this base of 16, and you will recognize that this is a hexadecimal number. They have several applications which we will be discussing in the further lectures. Thank you very much for watching.